Welcome to the kitchen at Palmer's Progress.
That's big, Mom. That's big, Mama. That's big, Mama.
Today we are baking
Sourdough bread.
All right, to start our bake for sourdough bread, I'm going to go ahead and put some warm water into the bowl. Just a teaspoon of sugar. And over here, we'll grab my yeast. Now there's lots of different ways to make sourdough bread. I just tried this recipe the other day and it worked so nicely, I thought I'd share it with everyone else. All right, we are introducing our sourdough. We've had the sourdough or the starter for 7 years now. And we make waffles and pancakes, and every once in a while we try out a new sourdough bread. There's so many different options out there on how to make sourdough bread. And this is one I tried out just the other day and it worked out really well. So I'm gonna go ahead and share that with you. Lily and I are gonna bake a couple loaves of sourdough bread. All right, so now our yeast has bloomed and it's time to add the flour, baking soda, salt, and sourdough starter. All right, Liz, do you wanna do the honors? Woo!
A little bit of a mix.
I'll measure out the sourdough starter. I have 1 cup. Baking soda. Just a half a teaspoon.
So cool.
I know, I love the texture of it.
And it makes this weird noise. It's so satisfying.
It's fermenting.
Ooh, look at those bubbles!
How is it?
Looks good to me.
All right, let me give it a stir. Oh yeah, that's nice. Look at that. I love how,
Elastic.
yeah, it's elasticy. That's perfect. And the sourdough does that.
All right, next step, we're going to add in some flour until the dough pulls away from the sides, about 3 cups. So I'll add most of this flour in. and we'll mix away. Next step, we're going to move over to the island and knead our dough for 10 minutes.
We're gonna go ahead and set our dough aside for 1 hour as it's rising. Now, the holiday season is upon us and it's a really busy time. And so we wanted to share a little bit about what our busy holiday season looks like while the dough is rising.
We have noodles and pasta. And me and my mom.
Hey guys, I think we found the tree.
That's good.
The dough has risen, so now we're going to take off the top, we'll punch it down, and then make 2 loaves and let it rise one more time before we put it in the oven to bake. Right, now. Useless. Something else that's really important is to put a container in the oven that has water in it. So I'm going to use one of my bread pans and fill it with water and set it in the oven, and it makes the outside of the bread, the crust, really nice.
Before these go in the oven, we are going to brush them with a little bit of butter. And then they'll go in the oven at 400. This one's not done.
Alright.
Alright, let's put these in the oven.
Got some water in there to make a crispy crust. bread out. It smells amazing. Look at them all toasted. Wow. Alright, we'll let them cool a little bit and then have a slice. The water worked. Alright, the bread is out of the oven. It's cooled for a little while. Now it's time to slice these. Hear that crust? Outer layer. And looks like it's able to rise nicely as well. Well, would you like to try some? I know you guys can't, but you can if you make your own. Thank you for watching the kitchen at Palmer's Progress, and if you enjoyed, please remember to subscribe or press like down below, and we look forward to cooking again with you next week. Not a chicken. Alright, sorry. Next thing. Do you want to be the one who adds the rest of the stuff? These 4 items? I'm not gonna do that. Okay, so it is time to add things to this blooming yeast. Uh-oh.
This is baking soda.
Yeah, but I don't have enough flour. Of course. Okay, wait.
5.